little to nothing. I really only make money off of fucking shows. Everything is just a fucking scam. Everything has really just been a fucking scam. The YouTube that they gave me the other day, it said I joined YouTube in 2020. How the fuck I joined YouTube 2020 when my first song was released in 2017? It just didn't make sense. And at the time, women have access to YouTube, or artists don't have access to their Vivo, or they don't have access to this and that. I'm an independent fucking artist. Why don't I have access to everything? And why fucking sign me up for some distribution shit that I didn't even fucking know about? Them I collect fucking half of me. It's just been a lot of fucking fuckery. Honestly, me I talk about. Honestly, I've been chilling. And Ray. But the reason why I wanna have questions like, oh, why Jada career up, I pick up so sore? Why Jada career going in fucking circles? Like, why this and why that? It's because of that fucked up fucking person. And it's because of that fucked up person's decision. Don't wanna fucking reach nowhere. Burn a lot of fucking bridges. A whole heap of producer don't wanna work with me because of that fucking person. Like, it's just really fuck up. And I'm not ask if my work. Guys, I live a studio. I have songs for days. Literally right now I sit down on over 10 hit songs. I not ask. But I not drop them because it's like, why am I gonna release music right now where I even gonna gain offer? You understand? It don't make no fucking sense. Like, it's stupid. So that's why I say I go wait, I'm not drop no music. If you mean I'm not drop the music this year, then I just not go drop the music until everything is settled. Like, I'm really so upset and just annoyed. Like, so annoyed to see all of the hard work when I put in and all the shit when I do. It's literally like nothing. Sometimes if I don't for uno, like when I come on live and vibe with uno, post a picture and comment and say, don't love me area, boom boom. It's like that keep me fucking going. But my sound now vibe to my music, that keep me fucking going. Like, I swear, even though is you understand, not really come out for me personally, is like must feel so overwhelmed with happiness. Like, I feel so good when I vibe to my song them. Cause it's like me say, yo, literally if I never for Uno, like nothing would have fucking, this wouldn't be, there wouldn't be a Jada Kingdom, there wouldn't be a fucking Twinkle, this wouldn't fucking be.